faster. A little more passenger and you had it. Are you high low? High low? High low. Low, low, third gear.
Oh yeah! That's that cage out.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, bro. Don't worry, the rocks there keep you from going all the way down.
Right from there.
Yeah, get on it, man.
Right there. You guys might feel like schoolmate and then hook your driver.
Can you crawl hard?
Oh man, that's in trouble. He told me to do the tail light away. Did. Big scooter ahead. Floor it.
Crawl that?
Maybe not low high trying to crawl.
What a noob.
What an idiot! I don't think that's high low.
Fucking full throttle. Hard left, full throttle, you're good.
Jason says heat your tires up.
That's what I said.
Not rod knock, heat your tires up.
One more gear.
Time to get serious.
Full throttle.
Yeah.
Put your driver's tire in that track.
Listen to everybody at once.
Yeah.
Show us what you feel. Hey, Ginger. Passenger.
Yeah, buddy. First passenger.
Well, I'm sorry.
That second or third?
Driver?
It's not like I would say follow that crack, and once you're past like here, go past. Yeah, your accident definitely needs to be more that way so we keep
Push it down the hill.